Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Parvathi from Paro's Craftology. Today we'll be doing a very simple upcycling project using this old ice cream container. So let's get started. I start off with a coat of white gesso by CrafTangles. This will give me a good coverage in one go, and this will act as a good primer for the surface. I didn't sand the surface. If you want, you may go ahead and sand the surface first and then apply a coat of gesso. That will enhance the priming properties of the surface. Now on top of that, I am applying this transfer sheet that I'm using is again from CrafTangles, and the name of the transfer is Sunflower 1. Next one is colorful butterflies. Again, I took 2 butterflies from that set. I fussy cut those elements that I wanted, and now I'm trying to place the elements as I want on top of the ice cream container, like so. For those of you who have not used a transfer sheet, it contains a very thin layer of plastic film. You need to remove that plastic film and then stick the transfer sheet upside down and then put some water. I wanted some wrinkle effects or some cracks in my transfer, so I sprayed some good amount of water, and then after that I dabbed it with a sponge dabber, and now very smoothly removing it. Now we'll go ahead and stick the other sunflower element as well. Again, doing the same technique, adding water using spray bottle, dabbing it with the sponge dabber. Trying to slide it and removing the coat. Now going ahead and adding my butterflies. The process remains same throughout. It's just that we are adding different elements wherever we feel like. Now just after applying the transfers, this is how the container looks now. I want to give it some cement kind of look, so I'm going ahead and adding some chalk pen from CrafTangles again. The shade is cement. I didn't realize that I was not within the camera frame. I'm sorry about that. Now quickly and very gently adding the color as you can see, it's giving me very nice cemented burnt kind of look. I went ahead and did some stenciling. The colors I'm using here are red, permanent red and permanent black, and these are liquid acrylics from CrafTangles. Just roughly adding the stencil. Once this was done, I added a coat of varnish, and on top of that I added some lace and a bow just for decoration purpose. And this is how it looks, just to add some more shine to it, and to complement the yellow within the base, I'm adding some gold, antique gold wax from CrafTangles to finish off the project like so. I went ahead and added some soil and planted a nice jade plant into it, and it is now in a nice corner of my home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Till we meet again, it's Parvathi signing off. Bye bye.